So we are going to continue today from where we left off from the previous video, where we are going to see how we differentiate a function like this. So let's view a function like this to be let's say some f of x multiplying a different function, say some g of x, and these functions are multiplying each other. So this is just like a product. So it means we are going to find their product. So we can call the method to differentiate this function to be a product rule. But what does the product rule say? From our previous video, we derived that any function that is of this form, we can differentiate this to be. Let's first have our our h prime of x to be first. We are going to have our f prime of x multiplying my g of x. So multiplying my g of x, all this plus my f of x multiplying my g prime of x. So if you can be able to get all this from this function and put them together, you shall be able to find the derivative of this function. So now let's gather some few elements here. What will now be our f prime of x, and what will be our g of x, what will be our f of x, and then what will be our g prime of x. In this, let's first identify what is our f of x. From the question, we are going to let our first part of the question to be our f of x, where this is going to be, let's change that, where my f of x, let me let my f of x to be everything here, where this is going to be 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 3. This is my f of x. Now from here we can also get what? We can also get my f prime of x. So with this function, we know that when we want to differentiate this, we can use what we call the chain rule. But how can we use the chain rule here? In simple terms, first we differentiate the whole function, which will now be, we have 3 multiplying the whole function, 6x squared plus 5. It means that 3 has now multiplied this, and then we subtract 1 over here, then here becomes 2. Then we now multiply everything with the derivative of the inner function. We explained this from the first video, where we now find the derivative of the inner function. But our inner function here is, let's put that here in here, where we have 6x squared plus 5. But the derivative of this should be our 12x. Alright, this is a constant, so finding the derivative of this boils it down to 0. So the derivative of this whole function has now turned to 12x. So I now have to multiply the whole thing here with the derivative of this guy, which is now my 12x. Alright, identifying that, we also have a different job to do, that is to find the g of x. Meanwhile, the second part of the function is my g of x. So everything that is here will be my g of x. Then I can represent my g of x to be, now here my g of x is whatever is here, and that is going to be okay, representing that with the red ink, we have x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 4. Alright, so differentiating this, still using the chain rule, as we use whatever is here earlier. As we differentiated the f of x, we can still use the same method here, where my g prime of x is going to be equal to, what are we going to get? First, we differentiate the whole function, which is going to be 4 all into bracket x to the power 3 minus 7. We now multiply it with, now this is minus 1, which is now giving me 3. Okay, getting that, we have to identify that we have to multiply the whole thing with the derivative of the inner function. By here, our inner function is x to the power 3 minus 7. Where we have x to the power 3 minus 7, and we find the derivative of this guy, this will just be 3x squared. Now this is also what? A constant. So when we find the derivative of a constant, it just boils down to 0. So this is now our derivative of the inner function. So it means that here we just add we'll multiply whatever is here, sorry, with what? The derivative of the inner function. So the derivative here is what? 3x to the power 2. Alright, we can simplify this further enough, where my g prime of x actually will now be my g prime of x is still going to be 4 times 3 here is 12. So I'm having 12x squared. This is x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 3. I can do the same thing for f prime of x here, where I'll just multiply whatever is here with whatever is here. Now that is going to be 3 times 12. This is going to be 36. So that means that I can also get my f prime of x simplified to be 3 times 12, which is what? 36. So this is going to be 36x into bracket 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 2. Now I've now been able to get all the elements that I need for finding the product rule. I just have to put them together to now arrive at my final solution. Now, okay. From the product rule, we first have what? We find what? Put the f prime of x. What is now our f prime of x? First, we have to put my h prime of x is going to be. Now, where is our f prime of x? This is our f prime of x. So our f prime of x will now be 36x. Let's put that together. This is going to be 36x into bracket 6x squared plus 5 all squared. Multiplying g of x by what is our g of x, and my g of x is the whole of this guy, which is what? This is multiplying x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 4. Now, we now add all of that to, let's drop here. We now add all of that to f of x. But what is our f of x? Our f of x here is what? We have 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 3 multiplying my g prime of x, but my g prime of x is simplified here. So I now multiply that with my g prime of x, which is this guy, 12x squared. This is 12x squared multiplying x to the power 3 minus 7 to the power 4. Alright, so we've now gotten our product rule, but further enough, we can simplify everything that is here. But let's go to the next page so that we can see everything everything clearly. Now, we are now going to have my h. Let's put that in a black marker. Okay. So it means that my h prime of x is going to be equal to, now let's see, whatever we have over here, we're just going to lift everything that we have over here into that place. So what are we getting there? We have 36 into bracket 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 2, and this is multiplying x to the power, this is multiplying everything here. This is multiplying x to the power, which is a function of g, x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 4. Alright, and we are now adding all of that to, our gf of x, where my f of x is going to be, which is everything that is here, into bracket 6x squared, that is 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 3 multiplying my g prime of x. Where this guy is, we are still picking every element that is here, okay, which is just going to be 12x into bracket x to the power 3 minus 7. Alright, now let's look at the simplification of all this. Now in this, we can identify that we have 36 here. Over here, we have 12 here. There's something that is common here. So we can factor out 12 over here first. So let's see the things that we can factor out. We can factor out first 12. So first, I'm still having my h prime of x, which is equal to, I first have 12. Now this is still going to multiply. Now let's see what again I can factor out. This is 6x to the power 2 plus 5 all to the power 2. Okay, but the same thing that I have here, I have it here, but here is to the power 3. So I can take what? 2 out of it, which is going to be this guy. Okay, so it means that I can factor out 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 2. Alright, then I can still factor out this. Now I have x to the power 3 minus 7. The same way I have x to the power 3 minus 7 over here. But let's look closely. Over here is raised to the power 4. Okay, but let's see if when this is actually when we have the derivative of this. So we made a mistake here. So here is supposed to be to the power 3. Okay, yes. So this is the power 3 because the function was carrying 4. When we take minus 1 of it, it was 3. So here has to be what? 3. So we have to correct that. We have to correct that. So here is actually supposed to be 3. Where in our next page, we identify that to be 3. Good. So now that we have seen that, now x to the power 3 minus 7 or to the power 4, we can identify that this term is still here. Now this is what to the power 4 and this is what to the power 3. We can take the least, and where the least is going to be what? X to the power 3 minus 7 or to the power 3. Okay. When we take, okay, so actually this is going to be what? The most of them, alright? Well, the most common, okay, the greatest common divisor over here is going to be x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 3. So we have that over here to be x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 3. Now we are able to factor out the simple terms. Let's see now what will be left. Now we factored out 12 from this first element here. Since we factored out 12, we can identify that here it will be left with what? 12 into this, it will just be left with 3. So I have 3 over there. Now I can identify that here I factor out the same thing, 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 2. So here everything is gone. So it's just left with 1. We leave that. Then we come here as well. Here we have x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 3. When we take that from all this side, we identify that whatever will be left is x to the power 3 minus 7 to the power 1, which is the only thing that will be left. Where that guide is going to give us what we have x to the power 3 minus 7. Alright. Then we add everything that is left. We add that to. From here, we take away, okay, we already took away 12x, alright? So here will only be left with x. But first, let's begin whatever is here, okay? Now here we took 6x to the power 2 plus 5 all to the power 2 here. We took it away. Here will just be remaining 1 over here. So here I'm just going to get into bracket 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 1. Alright? Where I've now already taken what? I've taken 12x. Sorry, I've taken 12 out. So it will be left with what? X over here. Where I can use my x to multiply everything that is here. Alright? After that, now I come and look at whatever is here. Over here, I remember we took x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 3 here. Now, this is the same as everything that is here. So as we have taken everything that is here, whatever will be left here is 1. So it means that our final result is this. So when we find the derivative of a function that is like this, if you try, your true result should be this. We finally going to get 12 multiplying 6x squared plus 5 all to the power 2. This is multiplying x to the power 3 minus 7 all to the power 3. All this being factored out is going to multiply into bracket 3 multiplying x to the power 3 minus 7 all plus x multiplying 1 6x squared plus 5. Thank you. Stay tuned for the coming videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.